long time ago, 21 long, hard years ago. It's evolved. You can flick through into all sorts of different manifestations of this agency. As you can see, NMG on that big motherfucking sign as you walk through the door. Different agencies, RCP. We think it's great studio. We've got other things coming.
Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert, we've got PR agency. It has been one hell of a journey.
We just had a great time in the last 21 years. It's been brilliant, so thank you to everyone here.
Oh God, really stinks of bees in here. Ay, ay, ay.